Big news on the horizon. Nvidia's unveiling a revolutionary AI agent that promises to reshape our world for the better. But before we dive into the details, what potential applications do you think this AI agent could have? How might it impact various industries? Join us in this exploration as we pose questions and unravel the exciting prospects that Nvidia's new AI agent brings to the table. Nvidia's AI initiative, their AI development instead of concentrating on single all-encompassing agents, tend to target particular industries like healthcare, manufacturing, and sustainability. AI-powered instruments for robot-assisted surgery, medical image processing, and data center energy optimizations are a few examples. To ensure that their AI technologies are developed and used responsibly, Nvidia collaborates with a number of institutions and academics. The American multinational technology business Nvidia Corporation creates System-on-a-Chip (SoC) for mobile computing and the automotive industries, in addition to graphics processing unit (GPUs) for the professional and gaming industries. The company was founded in 1993 by Curtis Priano, Chris Malachowski, and Jensen Huang. Its main office is in Santa Clara, California. In the graphics processing unit market, Nvidia is a dominant player. A vast array of devices, including game consoles, supercomputers, laptops, and desktops, employs its products. Voyager aims to function at a human level in the well-known video game Minecraft. Minecraft offers a distinct challenge for AI creation because of its expansive and unrestricted environment. In contrast to games with predetermined goals, players in Minecraft are free to explore and construct as they like. In order to meet these challenges, Voyager exhibits remarkable independence and flexibility. Without assistance from a human, it may play the game for hours on end, exploring the environment, making choices, and getting past barriers to accomplish its objective. The video clips are available, which showcase single episodes that last for several hours, demonstrates how the AI learns and makes decisions continuously while operating in Minecraft world. Although details about Voyager's developers are left out, the project itself is a noteworthy achievement in the field of artificial intelligence. The fact that it can now successfully navigate a challenging and flexible game like Minecraft opens new avenues for investigating AI's potential in imaginative and dynamic settings. These developments have the potential to be used in a wide range of fields, including robots, scientific simulations, virtual assistants, and game design. An open-source JavaScript API is used by Minecraft to facilitate interaction with the gaming environment. An algorithm called Voyager is layered on top and is in charge of producing JavaScript code in snippets. These little clips are real-time demonstrations of talents that can be used in the game. Just like with human developers, mistakes can occur in the code that is generated and have unanticipated consequences. This demonstrates the fluidity of AI research and development, as well as its difficulties in reaching optimal effectiveness even with the use of ostensibly human-like techniques. In a well-known game Minecraft, the AI agent Voyager pushes the envelope of what is conceivable. However, its capacity for learning and development via a special self-reflection mechanism is what really makes it stand out. 3 important data sources are used by this creative strategy to inform its comprehensive and decision-making. Consider an explorer who is continuously conscious of their hunger, health, and even the content of their rucksack. Voyager is similarly alert. It keeps an eye on its own condition while playing the game. This contains details about its current inventory, health, and resource level. Like a seasoned traveler crossing unfamiliar territory, Voyager pays close attention to its surroundings. The world state data includes everything from the general topography of the environment to the resources that are accessible and any threats. Voyager learns from every reactions that occurred from every activity. It actively engages in gameplay while keeping an eye on a short and long-term effect. This feedback loops offer insightful information on how well its decision-making works. Voyager effectively stores the skill it acquired in a skill library. This library serves as a Voyager's equivalent of an experienced explorer's toolkit, enabling him to rapidly recall and use practical tactics in comparable circumstances. Think of it as an expanding experience repository that informs the decision-making and future reactions. AI can accurately interpret medical images, which helps with early disease detection and individualized treatment regimens. This has the potential to transform healthcare outcomes and access. Robots having AI capabilities can carry out activities more precisely and effectively, increasing output and product quality. Additionally, this can create new opportunities for personalizations and customization. In fact, the idea of foundation agents is the vanguard of AI research. These fictitious agents would be able to communicate with the real world and the virtual one with ease, functioning as wise counselors that would pick up new skills, adjust to changing circumstances, and carry out duties in our place. Although they are still in their infancy, foundation agents have the enormous potential to completely transform a number of facets of our life. Imagine having an assistant who can handle complicated duties like financial planning or healthcare administration, in addition to managing your schedule, ordering groceries, and controlling your smart home appliances. There are many innovative ideas influencing the field of artificial intelligence, but foundation agents stand out as one of the most intriguing ones. Supported by scientists such as Jim Fan, these hypothetical beings envisage a novel type of artificial intelligence that can easily connect the real and virtual realms. Imagine an agent that can comprehend your movements and facial emotions in addition to only listening to your vocal commands. Imagine it connecting to your smart home's appliances and providing tailored recommendations and data analysis all at the same time. With their multimodal interactivity and continual learning capabilities, foundation agents distinguish themselves from typical AI thanks to their adaptability. These smart assistants have the potential to completely transform our way of life in many ways. Picture them taking care of your finances, your schedules, and even your medical issues. They'll anticipate your demands and help you before you know it. The potential applications are immense and transformational, ranging from expediting scientific discovery through complicated research to optimizing procedures in numerous industries. But immense power also entails a great responsibility. It is imperative to give careful thought and ethical issues pertaining to data protection, potential biases, and openness. To promote acceptance and trust, users must be aware of the decision-making process used by these agents, particularly in high-stakes scenarios. Even though foundation agents are still in their infancy, they mark a substantial advancement in artificial intelligence research. These future helpers have the enormous potential to completely change the way we live and work, affecting industries like healthcare and work among others, as long as we carefully tread their ethical waters. Remember that responsible development is essential to realizing AI's full potential for everyone's benefit as you study this fascinating field. Of course, there are significant ethical questions raised by the emergence of such potent AI. To guarantee that these agents be used properly and benefit humanity, concerns like data privacy, prejudice, and openness must be carefully considered. According to academics like Jim Fan, the concept of foundation agents, a potent idea that is different from AGI, may bring about profound changes to our way of life in the future of AI. Foundation agents concentrate on mastering tasks among several realities, whether virtual like video games and simulations or actual drone and robots, whereas AGI seeks for human-level intelligence across various domains. Imagine an agent mastering the art of strategy in a game and then using that skill to skillfully pilot a drone. What distinguishes foundation agents is its common trait. They might infiltrate every part of our lives and not be limited to particular tasks or settings. Drawn under the same agent's direction, might carry out intricate search and rescue missions, investigate catastrophe areas, or deliver items. Such an agent may modify its tactic for different games in a virtual environment, learning and developing over time. This adaptability opens up fascinating options. Imagine receiving individualized instruction from an agent that adapts the lesson to your unique learning preferences and move fluidly between online simulation and practical applications. Or picture smart homes that are managed by a single foundation agent who anticipates your requirements and adapts to various circumstances. But ethical issues are still very important. It is imperative to protect data privacy, minimize any biases, and preserve openness in the agent's decision-making process. To make sure that these potent instruments serve mankind and preserve moral standards, we must proceed with caution. Even if Nvidia doesn't have a single AI agent that can promise to fix every issue, their innovation in many fields have a lot of promise to be beneficial. But in order to make sure AI actually improves the world, critical analysis, responsible development, and human-centered approach are essential. Recall that the way we choose to create and apply these technologies will determine their impact. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to stay connected with our journey through the world of innovation. Feel free to share your thoughts in the comments below. We'd love to hear from you. Stay tuned for more exciting insights in the world of technology and innovation.